Om Swastiastu, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan, salam rahayu, dan salam harmoni. Perkenalkan, nama saya adalah Lusri Surya Wisma Jayanti, SPD MPD. Saya adalah dosen bahasa Inggris di program studi Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar, Fakultas Ilmu Pendidikan, Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha Singaraja. Pada kesempatan ini, saya ingin menyampaikan pernyataan diri dosen dalam unjuk kerja Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi dalam bidang pengajaran dalam proses sertifikasi dosen tahun 2026. Saat ini saya mengampu mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris SD untuk mahasiswa PGSD semester 2 dengan kode mata kuliah GSDS 120207. Mata kuliah ini adalah mata kuliah wajib di PGSD, Fakultas Ilmu Pendidikan, Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. Adapun capaian pembelajaran dalam mata kuliah ini adalah yang pertama, mahasiswa mampu menerapkan kosakata dan struktur dasar bahasa Inggris yang relevan dengan komunikasi mereka sehari-hari dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris di sekolah dasar. Yang kedua, mahasiswa mampu menggunakan kosakata dan struktur dasar bahasa Inggris dalam penggunaan komunikasi yang tepat yang relevan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari dan pembelajaran bahasa Inggris di sekolah dasar. Adapun materi pembelajaran yang mendukung CPMK 1 antara lain, yang pertama, alphabets and numbers, articles, parts of the body, preposition, fruits and vegetables, fruit and drinks, adjectives, likes and dislikes. Sedangkan materi pembelajaran yang mendukung CPMK 2 antara lain, yang pertama, feelings and emotion, WH question, yang ketiga, degree of comparison, kemudian nominal and verbal sentence in present tense and present continuous tense. Adapun sistem perkuliahan yang digunakan adalah dengan menggunakan tatap muka atau face-to-face learning dan juga dengan menggunakan LMS Undiksa atau e-learning Undiksa. Sebagai bagian dari mata kuliah yang ada di Prodi PGSD, mata kuliah ini mendukung pencapaian CPL 2 Prodi PGSD, yaitu lulusan yang mampu mengintegrasikan substansi keilmuan yang ada di sekolah dasar dalam merancang, melaksanakan, dan mengevaluasi pembelajaran pada peserta didik yang ada di sekolah dasar. Mata kuliah ini dirancang sebanyak 16 kali pertemuan, di antaranya 14 kali tatap muka, kemudian sisanya yaitu 2 kali ujian tengah semester dan juga ujian akhir semester atau UAS. Pada pertemuan kali ini, saya mengambil pertemuan ke-12 dengan materi pembelajaran Present Continuous Tense, di mana Present Continuous Tense ini bertujuan agar mahasiswa mampu menggunakan kalimat yang biasa mereka gunakan sehari-hari pada saat kegiatan sedang berlangsung. Dalam melaksanakan pembelajaran, saya menerapkan 3 komponen utama, yaitu delivery, interaction, and assessment. Untuk komponen delivery, di sini saya menyampaikan materi dengan menggunakan berbagai sumber. Yang pertama, menggunakan sumber dari buku, kemudian menggunakan sumber dari LMS, artikel-artikel, dan juga PowerPoint yang sudah saya rancang sesuai dengan pembelajaran yang diajarkan. Untuk mendukung komponen interaction, saya mendorong mahasiswa untuk terlibat aktif dalam proses diskusi di dalam kelas, di mana di sini saya membentuk mahasiswa menjadi beberapa kelompok, di mana satu kelompok terdiri dari 4 orang. Dalam kelompok mereka akan berdiskusi dan juga mengerjakan worksheet yang akan saya berikan. Untuk memaksimalkan interaction, mahasiswa melakukan proses diskusi secara asinkronus melalui LMS e-learning Undiksa. Untuk komponen yang terakhir yaitu assessment, saya mengambil penilaian dari komponen sikap dan partisipasi, penugasan, ujian tengah semester, dan ujian akhir semester mahasiswa. Untuk memaksimalkan assessment, saya juga menggunakan aplikasi Quizzes atau Wayground di setiap akhir perkuliahan, sehingga mahasiswa akan menggunakan perangkat mereka masing-masing atau HP mereka untuk menjawab soal yang ada di Quizzes. Sekian deskripsi diri saya terkait pelaksanaan Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi pada bidang pengajaran. Semoga video ini dapat digunakan untuk melengkapi persyaratan sertifikasi dosen tahun 2026. Selamat menyaksikan video pembelajaran saya, semoga bermanfaat. Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan, salam rahayu, dan salam harmoni. Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine.
Okay, and in this morning we meet again. Yeah, I'm very happy to see you again. Yeah, with the new spirit and the new motivation. Yeah, I hope in this morning you are in a good condition. Yeah. Before we start to the lesson today, we would like to pray together. Yeah, based on your beliefs. So all of you, please stand up. Yeah. So please, all of you, stand up and then we meet a pray together. Yeah, praying start based on your belief. Praying finish. Okay, you can sit down. In the previous meeting, we have learned about something. Do you still remember about that? Yeah, what's our previous meeting? Last week. Okay, thinking about past. Yeah, so many kinds of the activities happen in the past. Can you give me an example of the activities in the past that you have done, for example, this morning? Okay, before we continue to the next topic that we have learned today, I would like to check your attendance first, yeah? So please say present if I call your name. For the first, Santi,
Present, Miss.
Ni, Intan, Melinda, Haulan. Okay, all of the students are present today, yeah? And I hope all of the students are in a good condition this morning. Okay. So before I continue to the next topics, yeah, I would like to ask you about our previous meeting. Okay, well, in this meeting, we will continue with our next topic. But before we continue to the next topic, we would like to ask you the questions about what we have learned in the previous meeting. Do you still remember about the topics that we have learned last week?
Yes.
Yes,
Miss.
okay. Who can describe about the topics that we have learned before?
About.
Yes,
Yes.
talking about past. Yeah, kinds of the activities in the past.
Yeah.
Can you give me an example of the activities that you have done this morning?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, yeah, Santi, please describe about your activities in this morning.
Okay, my activities in this morning, or what I did. What I did do that this morning before going to this class. For the first one, I wake up at 6 o'clock this morning, and then after wake up, I clean my house and water my garden. Maybe around 6 o'clock until 7 o'clock, and then after that I go to my grandma's house for cleaning her house and water her garden, and then after that I go home. After arriving in my house, I pray in my family temple. I pray a cup of coffee, or in Bali we sing wedang.
Yeah.
Okay. And then after praying in my family temple, I make a cup of coffee for my father and take a glass hot water for my grandmother. And then after that I take a bath or took a bath in my bathroom and then prepare myself for going to this class, Miss.
Wow, that's great. Many kinds of the activities that she have done this morning. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Santi, for your explanation about the activities that you have done in this morning. Okay, so you have explained about the activities that you have done in the past. Yeah. Now I would like to ask you new questions. Today, what are you doing in this classroom?
Studying, Miss.
Yeah, studying. What else?
Listening.
Yeah, listening. Another. Talking. One more.
Reading.
Yeah, so many kinds of the activities that you have in this room, yeah. For example, like listening, yeah, reading, writing. So it's happened right now. Yeah. Jadi kira-kira what's the topics that we will learn in this meeting?
Present
Yeah,
continuous.
present continuous tense. So present continuous tense is happen right now. Ya, jadi kejadian itu berlangsung saat ini. Ya, for example like what you have said before, like listening, studying, writing, and also reading. Yeah, and then I will like to show you the pictures. Yeah. There are so many pictures on the slide. You can see on the slide. I think it's around 15 pictures. Yeah. Look at pictures number 1 over there. What's the activities done by the girl?
Reading.
Yes, reading. So the verb ing, reading. So what is the basic verb or the verb 1 of reading?
Read.
Yes, read. And then next, activities beside the girls is reading. What's the next activities by the boy?
Cooking.
Yes, cooking. And the third picture?
Playing.
Yes, playing football. And this one?
Listening.
Listening. This one?
Drinking.
Drinking. Over there?
Watching.
Yes, watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, watching television. Yeah. And beside watching television?
Sleeping.
Yes, sleeping. What is sleeping on the sofa?
Cat.
Yes, cats. In a complete sentence? A cat. Yeah, a cat is sleeping on the sofa. Good. And the next picture?
Writing.
Okay, writing. Next one.
Talking.
Yeah, talking each other, yeah, between a boy and also a girl. And then what's the birds doing?
Flying.
Yes, flying. What is flying?
Terbang.
Yeah, terbang. And over there?
Running.
Yes, running. Next.
Eating.
Yeah, eating together with family, yeah, father, mother, and also the son. Okay, next one.
Teaching.
Yeah. Okay, and then the last picture is signing. What is signing?
The
The sun. Okay, the sun is signing. Yeah. So all of the activities in this picture is happening right now. Suppose that all of the activities in the pictures is happening right now. Like reading, yeah, and then cooking, playing football, listening to the music, then drinking, watching television, sleeping, the cat is sleeping, yeah, writing, speaking, flying, and others. Do you want me to show another pictures? Yes, okay. I have another pictures. Yeah. Okay, look at on the slide right now. There is a pictures. Where is the pictures happen? Yeah, in the classroom. What are they doing in this picture? Yes, study together. So suppose that it's happening right now, for example. So the students are,
Studying.
yeah, the students are studying. And who can make one sentence based on the pictures given? Okay, please think about it. Yeah, yes, Eka, please.
Okay, thank you, Miss. So the second sentence is the teacher is teaching.
Yeah, the teacher is teaching. Okay, do you want me to show another picture?
Yes.
Yeah, I will show you the other pictures. Now, look at this picture. Yeah, there are so many kinds of the activities, yeah, by the children in the classroom. Now, who can make the sentence based on the pictures given?
Me, Miss.
Okay, Linda, please make 2 sentences based on the pictures.
Okay, the first sentence is the girl is sweeping the floor.
Yeah.
The second sentence is the students are cleaning the classrooms.
Okay, how about the others? Is it right? Yeah, okay, give applause to Linda. Okay, thank you very much, Linda. You have described the pictures by using present continuous tense. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, so thank you very much, Linda. You have answered about describing what is the activities in the pictures by using present continuous. Now, the time for the discussion, yeah, and then the numbers of you after I check your present list is 20, yeah, 20 students. So please make a group, yeah, 5. Each of the group consists of 4 students. Yeah. Okay, now please make a group, please. Okay, so all of you in your group, yeah. So one group consists of 4 students, yeah. Now I will divide you into this group is group 1, okay. That group is group 2, group 3, 4, and the last one is 5. Yeah. So please discuss this with your friends in your group. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. Kurang ya? Okay, this is for you. Please look at your worksheet and then understand about the instruction on your worksheet. So please read the instruction, analyze the following sentence by explaining its subjects, verbs, objects, tenses, and also overall meaning. Yeah, you can analyze in the every sentence from sentence number 1. What is the subject? What is the to be? And then what is the verb? Yeah, the verb ing. And then what is the object? Yeah. And I will give you 10 minutes to discuss with your friends in a group. Yeah, if you find some difficulties in answering the questions, so you can discuss, or if you still stuck with that, so you can ask me. Yeah, so you can start working from now. I will give you 10 minutes to finish, and after that we will discuss it together. Yeah, okay? Yeah, please start working.
D-nya itu subjek, R-nya itu to be.
Okay, you have discussed with your friends in a group?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, do you have problems in answering the sentence? In analyzing the sentence? Okay. Yeah, you can continue working.
Yes, Miss.
No? Oh, so you still discuss with your friends about the answer? Okay, yeah. So you can discuss it together, yeah. Everyone can give your opinion, yeah, in answering the questions. Okay, please continue. Yes, you're welcome. Hello, group 1. Have you finished your work?
Yes.
Yes, wow. Have a good discussion with your friends, yeah? Okay. How about sentence number 5?
Number 5.
What is the verb on that sentence?
This one verb ing.
Yeah, verb ing. What is the verb ing of the sentence number 5? Yeah, watching. How about number 12?
12. The verb.
Yeah, the verb. Oh yeah, listening. So every every verbs on that sentence, do you understand about the meaning?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, please continue your discussion.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Okay, well, students, the time is up. Yeah, It's already 10 minutes to discuss with your groups, yeah. So have you finished?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah. And now we will discuss it together, yeah. We will discuss by analyzing about the every sentence, yeah. So you need to back to your seat, please, because we need to discuss it together by writing the answer on the whiteboard. Yeah, okay. So in this part, yeah, we will continue to discuss about what's your answer. Yeah, I will choose a few of you to write your answer on the whiteboard and analyze your sentence. While the other students, you need to check your friends' answer on the whiteboard. Is it the same with your answer or not? Yeah, and if you have not the same answer, so you can give your opinion. Yeah, okay. Now sentence number 1. I'm reading a book. Who can analyze that sentence? Yes, Santi. Okay, please come and write the sentence on the whiteboard. Okay, for the second sentence, who can write on the whiteboard? Yes, you. Please come. Okay, thank you, Santi. You can back to your seat. Okay, thank you. You can back to your seat. Okay, now time for checking about your friend's answer. Start from sentence number 1, yeah. Please pay attention. I'm reading a book, yeah. I as a subject am to be reading verb ing. A book is object. Is it right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So reading in here as the verb ing, yeah. So what is the verb 1 of reading? Read. Okay. What is reading?
Membaca.
Ya, membaca. Now, move to the second sentence. She is cooking dinner. She as a subject is to be cooking verb ing, dinner as an object, yeah. And then cooking as the verb ing. What is the verb 1 of cooking? Cook. Okay. Yeah. So for the first and the second sentence is in the right analysis. So give applause to the students who have right. Yeah. Okay, you can back to your seat. Thank you. Now we discuss the last sentence, yeah. Sentence number 20. The sun is shining brightly, yeah. The sun is as a subject is to be shining verb ing and brightly as an object. Is it right? Yeah, okay. That sentence is correct. So give applause to your friend. Yeah. Because all of the sentence we have discussed, yeah, start from number 1 until number 20. I suppose that all of you understand in analyzing about the subject position, the to be that is followed, and then the verb ing, what is the verb 1, yeah, and also the object followed by the verb. Yeah, okay, before we finish or before I end this class, I would like to check your understanding by giving a quiz, yeah, from quizzes. So please all of you scan the barcode on the slide, yeah, and then after all of the students join for the quizzes, I would like to start the quiz. Okay, all of the students have joined for the quiz, yeah? Can we start the quiz now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, the quiz is finished, yeah. Now we can see who is the first, the second, the third, fourth, and the fifth rank, yeah. And then now look at on the screen that the first rank is belongs to Adit. Okay, give applause. Yeah. And the second rank is Ayu Sinta. Yay! The third one is Haula. Okay, good. The fourth one is Amel. Yeah, okay. And the next one is Putri. Okay. And you also can see about your answer on the screen. Maybe some of the students have fault in answering for the questions. Yeah, I hope you can learn or study again at home relates to the learning material that we have discussed today. Yeah, okay, because all of the learning material that we have done in this meeting, yeah, before I give this assignment to you, as I want to ask you one more question. Do you understand with the topics that we have discussed for today? Yes, okay. Yeah. So you have more time at home, so you need to repeat again the topics that we have learned in this meeting. Yeah, don't forget to repeat about our previous learning material also. Yeah. And then I will give you this assignment as your homework. So please write your answer here, put your identity in here. Next week, you need to submit your work. Yeah, don't forget to bring your homework. Yeah, okay. We'll give it to you one by one.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, you're welcome. Please give to your friends. Yes, give to your friends. Oh yeah. Give to your friends. Yes, you're welcome. Oh, this is only one. Yeah, okay. This is your work, homework. Yeah, before we finish, this is the end of our lesson. Do you have any question? No. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. Yeah, I end this class. Thank you so much for your attention, your attendance. Yeah, and we will meet again in our next meeting. Yeah, see you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, see you.